Hello students, lecture 93. In this video lecture we will start Eco chapter 2, that is sectors of Indian economy. The first question of this video lecture is the historical changes in the three sectors, that is primary, secondary and tertiary sector. So what has been changed in primary sector? Over a period of time, the method of farming changed and agricultural sector began to prosper, improving and produced much more food than before. There are second thing is there are a number of activities like craft person, traders, buying and selling activities are also improved in this sector many times. However, at this stage, most of the goods produced are natural products from the primary sector, and most people are enjoying and employed in this sector. Second, changes in the secondary sector. In more than 100 years, new methods of manufacturing are introduced. Factories have come up and started expanding at international level. Now many companies have become multinational companies also, popularly known as MNCs. The people who had earlier worked on farm now began to work in factories in large number, that is occupational mobility from primary sector to secondary sector. And last one is secondary sector gradually became the most important in total production and employment. Changes in the tertiary sector. Tertiary sector is also called service sector. In past 100 years, there has been a further shift from secondary sector to tertiary sector in developed countries, that people now are enjoying much more facilities in the tertiary sector while working in tertiary sector in different service areas. The service sector has become the most important in terms of production, although it does not produce anything, but it helps in production of things by moving, by transport, security, etc. So most of the working people are employed in the service sector. This is a general pattern observed in developed countries. So this is what are the changes, historical changes in the three sectors. Next question is, what is the importance of tertiary sector in production? That how tertiary sector has become important in the overall production. First point, in any country there are several services which are required, like hospitals, schools, police, transportation. All these services are provided by the tertiary sector. So it is importance, one of the important factor of the tertiary sector. Second thing about tertiary sector is the development of agriculture and industry has started demanding better and more services for further movement of goods and services. Tertiary sector plays an important role in meeting all these requirements. Next is, due to the increase in income level, there is a rise in demand for more services like eating outside on the weekends, getting treatment in private hospitals, and sending children in private schools for getting better education. Next is, new services based on info technology and communication have become important and essential. All these services are provided by the tertiary sector only. And last point, you must remember that not the entire service sector is growing equally well. Service sector in India employs many different kind of people. At one end, there are a limited number of services that employed highly skilled and educated workers only. At the other end, there are a very large number of workers engaged in services such as small shopkeepers, repair persons, and transporters, etc. So this is how the tertiary sector is gaining popularity in all the three sectors of Indian economy. So that's all in this video. I hope you will understand and it will help you to read, to watch, to listen for your interests. Thank you very much.